Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Yahoo Mail to Google Chrome. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create a shortcut to Yahoo Mail right from the Google Chrome start page. This is a simple way to make Yahoo Mail easier to access, especially if you check your inbox often and want it available with just one click. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window and ready to create a new tab. If Chrome is already open, you can continue from there. Next, click the New Tab button, which is usually shown as a plus sign at the top of the browser. This opens a fresh Chrome tab and takes you to the default New Tab page. This is where Chrome often shows your most visited sites and gives you the option to add custom shortcuts for quick access. Once the New Tab page is open, look for the Add Shortcut option and click on it. This will open a small setup window where you can create a custom shortcut. This feature is useful because it lets you place websites you use frequently directly on the New Tab page, saving time whenever you open Chrome. In the name field, enter a simple label for the shortcut. You can type Yahoo Mail so it is easy to recognize later. Choosing a clear name helps keep your shortcuts organized and makes them easier to find at a glance. After that, move to the address field and type mail.yahoo.com. Be careful to enter the web address correctly, since this is what Chrome will use to open Yahoo Mail when you click the shortcut. If the address is typed properly, the shortcut will take you directly to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page or your inbox, depending on your login status. When everything looks correct, click Save. Chrome will then add the new Yahoo Mail shortcut to your New Tab page. From now on, whenever you open a new tab in Chrome, you should see the shortcut there and be able to click it to quickly access Yahoo Mail. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh or open another new tab to confirm that it was added successfully. Keeping shortcuts like this on your Chrome New Tab page can make everyday browsing faster and more convenient. That's it. You have now added Yahoo Mail to Google Chrome as a shortcut for quick and easy access.